Okay, in developer guide, write for the table in HTML. Table in HTML. Table in HTML. We can write the table using two ways. One according to HTML4, another one according to HTML5. So we can write method number 1. Method number 1. The structure of the table. Structure of table. Method number 1, structure of table. What is the structure of table? First table tag will open. After that, inside the table, there will be two sub element, two sub tag. One is called caption, and another one is called tr. Caption and tr. Caption will end there itself. Caption will end there itself. tr will continue next. tr will give you next th and td. tr you can write here, it's called table row. Table row. th we can write here, table heading. Table heading. This is called table data. Table heading and table data. Table row, table heading, table data. Okay, so to complete the table, how many tags is required? One is called table, second one is caption, tr, th and td. Only total how many tags? 5 tags. Only 5 tags is required to complete or to create a table. Now right below, list of property in table tr, th and td. List of property in table tr, th and td. Okay, now what are the properties are there? Let's make a note. One is called table align. Align has 4 values. Align has not 4 value, 3 value. One is called left, another one is called right, and next called center. So how many values? 3 values. A line has 3 values, left, right, and center. Next, we have a property called border. It will help you to apply the border surrounding inside also, outside also. Next, we will write for cell padding and write one more property called cell spacing. Cell padding and cell spacing. Now cell padding, what is going to do? It apply cell padding, it apply space, inside TH and TD. It apply space inside TH and TD. Which one? Cell padding. Cell spacing, what it will do? It apply a space outside side of TH and TD. It apply a space outside of TH and TD. Okay. Write this 4 property, then we'll create one example. Table1.html. Now we will implement till here under the table1.html file. Under the table1.html file, we'll implement this all. Write it. Written, create a file called table1.html under the HTML folder. Okay, hope ready. Create a file table1.html. Hope you created this file. In which folder? HTML folder. Yes, under the HTML folder, you need to create the file table1.html. Doc type will learn in HTML5, not now. According to time, we'll use that also. Okay, so hope you have written table1 open, table1 file is open. Now come to the table1 file. Start from HTML. Follow the body tag. Now come inside. Write here one table tag open and table tag close. Inside table tag, what are the sub element you have? First, what will come? it is written in the structure. Under the table, first caption will come. So we will open the caption and we will close the caption and we'll write here customer details. So caption is going to appear on the top of the table. It will become like the main headline of the table. Yes, is different. Okay, it is going to explain about the table, what this table is holding and what is the content inside. Now come down, open a TR and close the TR. The second structure is, the second tag is TR on the table row. The second tag is TR as a table row. Now under the TR, you have to follow the TH and TD. TH represents the headline of a particular content. So suppose if you write here call customer name. Customer name. Now for that you have to pass the value under the TD. That is maybe Mr. Ganesh. Any name you add. So first TR is ready. Write one more TR. TR means one line, one row. Next TH we have mobile number. Write one TD. Write the third TR. TH we can follow inside. City name. TD. Okay, hope ready. Now save the file, run it. You will find it will not look exact like table, well organized, but somehow it will be okay. TH will come in the bold, TD will come normal text. And on the top of that, the caption will be there, customer details. Something like this. Written, check now. Something like this. Property value will apply. After that, this table will become much better and much meaningful. Okay, so come for table, apply a property first called align. Where you want to see this table? Align has the value called CENTER. Align equal to CENTER. Spelling that's yours, CENTRE. No, that is the wrong one. Here you have to write CENTER. TER, CENTER. CENTER. Now what will happen? Your table will appear in the middle of the screen, coming in the center. Next, after that, apply the property called border, BORDER. Spelling you can make sure. BORDER, border. Let's keep one as of now. Border is one. So inside also, outside also. All the side there will be border. How much? Okay, 2 I have written. Let's convert into 1. Inside also, outside also, there will be border. Now check now how it is looking. The lining will get applied. Now add the next property, that is called cell padding. Cell padding, give some number 10, 12. See how it is reflecting. Cell padding, give 10, 12. Okay, cell padding given how much? 12. Now see, table structure will be better now. Space got applied inside. Inside, yes. We have written the theory. Cell padding used to apply the space inside the TH and TD. You can see. Suppose customer name is leaving 13 pixel top, left, right, bottom. Mobile number also leaving equal gap from all the side. Right? Plus TH you can see it's printing in the center. TD you can see it's printing in the left side. Okay, so let's add. Go put the code and add some more property. Instead of 12, keep as 15, 18, 20. Then check how the where and how it is reflecting. Hmm? Inside the TH and TD spaces will get increased. Inside TH and TD space will get increased. So hope looking similar, or anyone have mixed up all together. Should not mix all together. Okay, if you do mistakes of spelling, then it will look like this. Write all the property values separate. You can see here. Align have a space in the left, right. Border has some space left, right. Cell padding has the space left, right. All the side have the spaces. Okay, now, so we understood what is the table. Inside table, you will have TH and TD and TR. Now after that, you can see TH and TD, you cannot write directly. Whenever you write the TH and TD, you must have to use this one for a TR. TH and TD belong to TR. TR you cannot write directly. TR must be under the table. Without table, TR you cannot write. If you are writing, then it's wrong. Okay, so these all are called as a well-structured document. So TR, if you write out of the table, your document will be unstructured document. TH, if you are writing outside, again your document will be unstructured document. So TH and TD will be always part of the TR, and TR you cannot write directly without table. You cannot write the TR. Okay, so this we have to keep in mind always. Now, so how many property you applied here? One is align, another one is border, another one is cell padding. Now border increase, you have given 1 pixel, change to 30-40. See what is happening. Change the border 30-40. See what is happening. Table got resized. Not table resize, the border will be resized. You can see it's look like the 3D border. Border went outside, inside is always one. Inside the table, the lining what is coming, it's a one only, 1 pixel. Whereas border went outside. More than one, if you write, it will go outside. Using CSS, we can keep equal border inside, and we can keep equal border outside. But HTML have not much property value, so that within the limited area. Now let's come next. Next, what you have to do? Next, you have to do like. Okay, the cell padding you have written. We have one more property. If you remember, we have written here that is called cell spacing. It says like it apply the space outside of TH and TD. How that work? Let's go here. First, change border. Border keep only one. So just for understanding purpose, we have written more border. If more than one, where it reflect. Okay. So cell padding we are ready here. Now let's go here. Right here call cell spacing 20 you can give. Cell spacing give it 20. Okay, hope ready. Now save now and check how that look. You can see we have written cell padding used to apply the space inside the TH and TD. So you can see customer name is there. Surrounding there is some space inside. Mr. Ganesh is there. Surrounding that some space is there inside. Mobile number you have. Before, after, left, right, top, bottom, there is some space that is coming from the cell padding. And between two block, Mr. Ganesh and mobile number, there is some space between two. That is coming from the cell spacing. Cell spacing, apply a space outside. Cell padding, apply the space inside. Here we have only one type of cell padding and cell spacing. Once you go in CSS, we have 6-7 type of cell spacing and cell padding. Cell spacing is called as a margin and cell padding is called as a padding. So margin is of 7 types, and cell spacing is called margin. It's 7 types, and padding is of 6 types. Where under the CSS, and once you come into the Bootstrap, same cell spacing and margin, they have made the classes that is of nearly 50 types, 25 types for the cell spacing and 25 for the cell padding. 25 way we can apply the space as a cell spacing, and 25 way we can apply the space for the cell padding, both. Okay, so now we have only one, what is that? Cell padding to apply the space inside and cell spacing to apply the space outside. For example, you can see Ganesh is written here, mobile number is written here, Bangalore is written here. You can see in the left hand side there is equal space. If suppose if any requirement will say using only HTML table, remove the space from left side. Before Mr. Ganesh some space is there, before mobile number some space, before Bangalore some space, inside the block, that you are not going to remove from the HTML. Once you apply the cell padding, what will happen? It will apply the space from all the side. CSS say like padding left 0, padding left 0. So what will happen? From left side, space will be 0 pixel. Padding top 30, padding right 50, padding bottom 70. According to need, we can apply the spaces. But here we have the equal space from all the sides. Okay. So just keep in mind how many property? 2 property. Even the theory is also written here. Padding for the space inside, margin and not padding, cell padding for the space inside, and cell spacing to apply the space outside. Check your page. Hope look like this or different. 8 seconds. I will come to the code here. Look same or different? Let me know in the chat. Okay, you should write it. Okay, if you're writing, you will get idea within few days. You will get a lot of confidence. After today class, I'll give you 5-6 photos as a homework. Okay, so hope this table is ready. We are going to leave this table. We are going to create another table. So go and create a next file with the file name table2.html. This same property value we will be implementing in one more example. Then we'll come back. Now see, suppose if you want to display one customer details, one product details, one item details, one any entity details for one, then you can use this format. Customer details, name, mobile, email, city, this one. If you have 100 customer, if you have 200 product, if you have 500 users, if you have a lot of something, then you cannot display like this. You have to use the another format of table. Tag remain same, but the format will be little different. Okay, let's come. That is our table 2 file. Create next file. Answer of your question is in next file. Table2.html. Table2.html, start from HTML, HTML to HTML body tag. Some noises. Okay, hope written. Now let's go there, create a table. You will follow the property value as you have written in the last example. Follow the align, follow the cell padding, cell spacing you can leave. Let's go here. You can use this much of property here also. Cell spacing you can ignore from here. Don't give cell spacing. Okay. Next, after that, write a caption. Under the caption, use the H1 tag. Right there, customer details, not details, customer list. Customer list. Customer list. Okay. Now come now. H1 why we have followed? Because the customer list should come in the big font size. Now write a TR, and in the first TR, keep only heading. For example, serial number. Add one more TH. Full name. Add one more TH. Mobile number. Add one more TH. City. Add one more TH. Call age. Okay, hope ready TR. Now come down. You can check this. You can run the page once, see how the table is looking. All the headings will come in one line. Okay, hope written. Check now. Look like this. Okay, next after that, Come now. Write the next TR. In this, how many TH you follow in the first row? 5 TH. Now in the second row, you are not going to use the TH. You are going to use only TD. Serial number, first is the serial number 01. Second is full name. Mr. Ganesh. Third is mobile number. Next TD will be city. Write some city name. Next will be age of the customer. Check now once. Yes, look like this. Add one more TR. Called customer list. It's not only one customer. There is many customers. If you have one customer, one record, you can follow the table 1. If you have multiple record, you can follow the table 2. Go ahead. Follow the TD 02. Next TD. Next TD. Something. Next TD. City name. Next TD. It's like this. There is no any heading tag. Caption tag is there, but heading tag is not there. There is a tag name called H1, H2, H3. Okay, look into the developer guide, you will get idea. Caption is a part of the table. Heading tag is not exist. Hope written how many customer? 2 customer. Add 1 2 more. Table will look valuable table. Come down. Tag name is called header, not heading. In HTML5 we have a tag. Tag name is called header. it used to create the heading of the web page. Header. Heading is not there. Header is of the tag. Okay, add one more customer. Customer number 3. Next, Kolkata. Yes. Save now. Okay, next after that, suppose the table is coming is a double line border. Can you see the border is a double line? In case if you want to make a single line border, we have to add one property. After that, border will become single line border. So hope we added 1, 2, and 3. Come there next. In the table, cell padding we have given 18. Right, cell spacing as a 0. Cell spacing if we give 0, then single line border will come. Cell spacing give 0, then single line border will come. Add 3 customer and then give cell spacing 0. Border should be there. Border must be 1. Cell padding you have to give, but cell spacing give 0. Line what is coming, double line border, it will come as a single line border inside the table. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Border is coming, single line border. Yes, so we'll remember that. How to create a single line border? Border you have to give, cell padding you have to give, and after that, border equal to cell padding equal to 0. Then automatically the line of the border will be as a single line border. It will not be double line border. Okay, next to that, in case if you want to change the border color, see as of now, border is coming which color? Gray color. In case if you want to change border color, you can use one more property here, that is called border color. BORDER equal to maybe red, green, orange, blue, your wish. Right, border color equal to what? As a border color equal to red. So border will come in red color. Border will come in red color. Red color equal to red. Same now. Coming red color border. So hope looking similar for everyone. Border color is a red. Let me know yes no if the file is working. We can go for next example. Okay, so we'll come to the developer guide. In developer guide, we will make a note of next property. You have added the property here, border color. That also we need to add there. So go to the developer guide file. We'll add a property of border color. So here you can add the property called border color. What it will do? To apply the border color. To apply color for border. To apply color for border. To apply color for border. So table 1 example is ready. Now after this, write the next property. Call a span. Already we have written? No. Call a span. What is going to do call a span? It used to combine a space of two or more th and td. th comma td. th comma td. It used to combine the space of two or more th comma td. Written. It used to combine the space of two or more th and td. Right, next one, row span. Row span. It used to combine a space of two or more which one? tr. It used to combine the space of two or more tr. Two or more tr. It used to combine the space of two or more tr. So let us create a file. Create the next file, table3.html. There we are going to use this call span and another table where we'll use the row span. Okay, clear. Call span and row span. Now table 3.html file. Table 1 you follow here, as well as table 2 also you follow here. Next write a next one where we are going to follow the table 3. Table 3. Table 3 file should be within the folder. Created table 3. Okay, let's go for that. Table 3. Start from HTML. Follow the body tag area. From previous page, from previous table till caption till TR you can copy. This much you can copy from previous table. Let's go copy and paste in current page. From previous page, copy till TR, included table start till TR. Hope you have done copy paste. This much. First, close the table. Let me know. Have you done till here? Call span. Customer list. Call span example. Okay. Now write a TR where a customer has all the details. So one TR where a customer have all the details. TD 01 full name Ganesh, mobile number 11111, city from Bangalore, and age 20 years. It will look similar as you have the previous example. For TR onwards, we will be adding the call span property. So run till here and check once. He has went for it. It will come sometime. Okay, so hope your page how it is looking. It's something like this. Let's run it. Okay. Now in this still we have not used the call span property. Suppose you are going to add a next customer. He has given the name, he has given the mobile number, what is his age he has given, but he has not given this value. Call is a city. Like for the next customer, age home, out of all fields, one field is missing. That is called city. Then how to display that? Let's come. Add the next customer, customer number 2. TR TH, not TH, TD 02, next TD Mohit, next TD next TD next TD called 40 years. All the details we have added first. Okay, now if you run this page, you will find something like this. Second customer have details. Our requirement is this Pune is missing. Pune is not there. Then how your table will look? Go and comment the Pune. Just select the line, and or maybe without selecting, there is option like this. You can comment this line. Comment this line. This is called commented code. Now you will feel like one TD is missing. Save the file and check once. You will find one TD is missing. Is here. One TD is missing. So solution is that what we can do is the mobile number column we have, mobile number column, how many column is missing now? Only one. Now we will ask the mobile number to take the space of next column also. Mobile number TD is taking the space of one column. We will add a property here so that what will happen? Mobile number will take the space of current TD and mobile number only will take the place of second TD also. How that will be? Through this property. Let's add here. Call span equal to 2. Why 2? Because one is the current TD and one is the missing TD. So both will be 1 plus 1 will become as a 2 TD. Save it. Hope written. Call span how much? 2. Save now. Save. Mobile number is taking the place of how many columns? 2 column. Current column as well as next column. This is called call span. This is called call span. Using call span, what we are doing? We are combining the space of 2 columns. Okay, not only 2 columns. You can combine the space of 100 column also. So hope it worked. Let's come down. Create the next TR. In the next TR, something else is there. Next TR. Next TR, we have a TD 03. Next TD some name you can add. Next TD. Mobile number. Next TD. City. But age is not mentioned. So what will happen is, check now. You will find the age is missing. Age is missing. So what we should do? For Kolkata, we can write call span. How much? Call span 2. So that it will take the place of current TD as well as it will take the place of next TD. Right here. Call span equal to 2. Check now. Hope covering. Look like this. So what is the use of call span? Again, it used to combine the space of 2 or more TH and TD. Add one more TR where the condition is something else. TD 04. Next TD something. Next TD mobile number, and after that remaining all are missing. After mobile number, how many columns are missing? 3. One is called, not 3, 2 columns are missing. One is called city, another one is called age. Let me go here. Write a TD, one TD, write one more TD. Okay, city is for, this is for Delhi, and this is for age, 30 years. But assume like these two are not exist. Assume like these two are not exist. Okay, hope ready. Check now. For the user have the all the details. Last user has all the details. But our requirement is last two are missing. So let's comment it. Comment the last two TD. Comment the last two TD. Now in chat you need to say what to do. Let me in the chat what should be the call span. For mobile number, what should be the call span? 3. Okay, one person said call span 3. Everyone need to say what should be the call span for mobile number now. 1 3. Come, let me have see. Some more people will reply, then we'll look into that. Call span 333 everyone. That meaning you understood something. Definitely for mobile number will be call span 3 only. Why call span 3? Because number one, 2 column are missing and one has to occupy all 3. So total 2 missing and 1 is exist. 2 plus 1 will be as a 3. Then definitely it will cover the something like this. Okay. This becomes a call span. Right. Now let me guide you. Next example. So hope this is clear. Create the next file, table4.html, to understand the row span. Same file, copy and paste in the next page. Table4.html to understand the row span. Right? Hope copy paste done. Control A, Control C, everything from this file. Paste in the next file. Save the file as a. Save the file as a which file? Table4.html. Okay, hope ready. Now in the table 4, write in the beginning row span. Row span. Row span. Next, after that, keep one row and delete remaining other row. Keep one row, one user and delete remaining other users. Delete remaining other users, keep one user. What is the theory for row span? It used to combine the space of how many rows? More than 2 rows, 2 or more. Okay. So hope modification is ready. Let me know as well. Okay, if modification is done, let's go ahead. Add one more user. Add one more user. This user you can take and add here and modify the details 02 Mohit and number is 222. He's from Pune. Okay, and he is also 20 years only. He is also of 20 years. Okay, he is also of how much? 20 years. If you run the page in your browser, 20 years will appear how many times? 2 times. Definitely. And that also 2 times is coming, just one after other. It's not like 20 years is coming after 3 rows or after 4 rows. Both are coming just in sequence, one after other. Let me run it. See here, 20 years and 20 years, how many times? 2 times. Now we have a logic. This is called a redundant data, duplicate data. You are displaying the data and there is a record that is coming one after other, and that 2 records are similar. If it is in different places, then you cannot do any modification. You have to display it, but both are just one after other. So table concept says if you have 2 similar record and both are coming just one after other, then why you are wasting the memory space? Why you display 2 times? Apply some logic in such a way, display only one time, and it will represent for both the records, for both the users. So what we can do, 20 users, 20 years will not display 2 times. 20 years will display only one time between both. Between both. So for first user also age 20 years, and for second user also age is 20 years. Their row span is going to come. Row span will say, I will combine the space of first row as well as second row. How that happen? Let's go here. In the first row, first you understood the problem or not? Record is duplicate. Now our system says, if you display the duplicate record, what will happen? It's going to fail the rules. It is not following the rules, saying like if 2 records are coming similar, then don't display 2 times. There is a property, use the property and display only one time. So for the first TD, you will write a row span how much? 2. Why? Because 20 years should display in the first row as well as 20 years should display in the second row as well. Check now. And after that, you have to comment this second 20 years. Comment or delete anything, but you should not display that. Wait for some time, I will call you. I will call, just be there only. Hope written. Check now. Happening. Yes. Now there is another condition where the third user belong to Pune. Third user also belong to where? Pune. So what we will do? We will not display Pune 2 times. Only one Pune will display and will say row span how much? 2. Let's do that. Write one more TR. Follow the TD 03. Next TD Alex. Next TD his phone number, and next TD directly will be his age. Okay, hope written. Now city is missing. City is missing. Why city is missing? Because this also belong to Pune only. So we will not write Pune again here. In the previous row, we have a Pune. We will write for them. What will write? Row span equal to 2. So Pune will take the place for the second user, and Pune will only take the space for the third user. The third user have their own age. Third user have their own everything, but city is same. So no need to display the Pune 2 times. Let me show you again here. Happening. So this is called what? Row span. Previous page you follow call span. Yes. Now based on this, I will give you some photos. You will try in home. Okay. 6 photos are there. Homework for the row span and call span. Tomorrow also I will give some example of row span and call span. But based on these 2 examples, let's do something. Spend some time. Put some effort on yourself so that little you will get idea. Working for everyone? Let me know yes, no.
Yes, sir.
So the web page.
Web page. Web page is here. 2 users, similar age. 2 users, similar city. Okay. Now let me guide you here. The website. I will share the link in the group also. You will follow that. I will share the directly link in your group. You can follow that. I will show you here what to do. Okay, suppose I open this page and example, I click on this photo. I'll click on this photo, one photo. Here is the URL. I will share this URL in a group. Once you click on this photo, another page will open. Now look into this. In first row, how many columns? But call span 2 is there. You can see it's covering full width. It's covering full width, no? In the second row here, what you can see? Row span or call span? This is
Row span.
here is a call span and here is the row span. Now total how many TR in this photo? How many TR? This is the first TR. This is the
3.
TR and this is the third TR. First TR 1 TD, call span 2. In the second TR, how many? 2 TD. Row span 2 in first one. Okay. Look at the second one. How many TR again? 3 TR. Last first TR have the TD row span how much? 3.
3.
Let me show you the second photo. Just look little difficult. The heading in the beginning. Then this is how many total TR? 3. In that this is covering how many rows? 2 rows. So we can use a row span here. Okay, you are already a smart, nothing to worry. I will share you the link in your where in the group. Let's follow that. Okay. And what is the process? 6 photos are there. You will try yourself, whichever is possible. Okay. It's not like in one day you will become master. So 6 photos are there. Out of 6 photo, whichever photo is possible to create that photo. After creating the photo, After see the photo and write the HTML code. After that, run the page, and whichever you are able to create, go to the group, take a photo, post in the group. You have option to post in the group, no? Right? You can post in the group, right? So in that group is created already 11:30 June. 11:30. No. Yours is 9 o'clock, right? She has created the group yesterday. That is the 9:30. 9:30. You have a group, I guess. Yeah, 9:30. In that, I can see how many people are there. 18 are there. In that 2 hours, 16 are there. Other people are 16 members are there. Okay, so in this group, I am sending you the URL. You will follow that. Let's do that. After doing the assignment, you will post the photo where? Under the screenshot. A screenshot you need to post under the group. Clear? A screenshot you will post under the group. I'm sending you hi. Hold on. Set number 1 you need to try. Hope you got the message at once. Set number 1. Any message came?
I'm not in this.
You are not in the group. You can ask her to add. She will add you. Okay, and then see you tomorrow. You can call to this number. She will add in the group. 8841 66608. 8841 66608. Okay, then see you tomorrow. Whoever have received the message in the group is okay. If you have not received, you can contact here. She will add in the group. Once she will add, I will. Huh? Your internet is not working. Link is not working. Just now I have opened. My internet link not work. I open here in the phone. Same link is working. Okay then. Thank you. See you tomorrow.